I just wanted to make this quick video to share with you a water filtration system that I got for my family and how I installed it differently than how it recommends. So I got this Clearly Filtered is the brand. It's a 3-stage filter and it's supposed to go under your sink. Sorry, I have a ruptured Achilles tendon, so I'm kind of hobbling around, but I wanted to attach a 3-stage filter to my refrigerator line so we could filter the hard water, because I don't want to filter any soft water in our home. But I found out that our kitchen sink right here, the cold water is also hard water. And so that kind of makes sense that you would install this filtration system under your sink. But I didn't want to just filter that water. I wanted to filter our refrigerator water as well. The Environmental Working Group has a testing site about tap waters around the United States. And so we plugged in our zip code and we found that 12 contaminants exceeded the health guidelines, and also that there were some PFAs found in our drinking water as well. Personally, I don't trust how the city filters the water. I think, there are so many pharmaceuticals, microplastics, and all kinds of different contaminants in water, so I think it's important to invest in some kind of water filtration system. So we decided to go with Clearly Filtered. There are tons of different options out there. Clearly Filtered is relatively expensive, but it had really good reviews. Instead of installing it under the sink, in order to get the filtered water coming up into our refrigerator as well, I installed it in our mechanical room in the pipes down there. So that kind of allowed us to free up some space underneath our sink, and now we get filtered water from there and our refrigerator, and then our ice is filtered as well. So I'm going to go ahead into our basement and just kind of quickly show you how we used some shark bite attachments to connect our filtration system to the pipes, and how that works well for us, and how if you want to try to do something like this too at your home, I think it's a great way to get a little more filtered water in a few different locations. I think Clearly Filtered also sells an option for just a refrigerator line, but I decided to do the under the sink version because that has 3 stages, like I said before, so the water is filtered even better. So I'm going to go downstairs and have a look at that. All right, so I'm here in my mechanical room, and I just want to show you this kind of up close, what I did to attach my under the sink Clearly Filtered filter to my hard water. So here I'm going to just try to show it to you up close here. Okay, so I had to buy 3 special pieces so that I could get this to work. So this is my cold hard water coming from the ground, and I had to buy this T here, and there's a quarter turn on it so I can turn it on and off. Let me see here. There's a little lever here, a quarter turn, and that turns it on and off. And so that's going in to the filter, and then coming out I have this elbow here that attaches back to the pipe that goes throughout the rest of the house. And I'll put the 3 pieces I got in the description just in case you have a similar setup to this. But I had a half inch elbow, and so I had to get this adapter, this 3/8 to 1/2 adapter. For the T right here, it was 3/8 to 1/2. So this is what the final product kind of looks like. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more tips and tricks you can easily implement into your day to stay healthier and more fit. See you on the next one.